My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2022 Cupra Born E-Boost. This vehicle has done just under 12,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. If we move over to the touchscreen, we can get quick access to Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, media, and navigation. We also have climate control at the top here, as well as heated seats. If we click on the Cupra icon, we can get quick access to driver assist, drive profile, e-manager, which tells us our charge and range, background lighting, and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, you can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.